This last March, I under-rotated a backflip backcountry skiing, which led to a spiral tib-fib fracture with surgery that night. I was forced to live on crutches for the next 6 weeks. Current crutches handed out at hospitals around the world have seen only slight design changes since the Civil War. And in an industry where surgical machines with 7 degrees of freedom and computerized medical beds exist, it is time for a crutch innovation. During my recovery, my biggest complaint was not having my hands. Menial tasks such as going grocery shopping and doing my laundry became my biggest achievement for the day. I started doing research on the market, and there are some hands-free crutches out there. However, these crutches only accommodate patients with injuries at the ankle or below. I went to the drawing board and started observing the human body's geometry. There are 3 downward-facing concavities, which could naturally support an upward load. Your 2 armpits where current crutches interface, and your groin. That led to my idea, a crutch where your weight is supported by your pelvic bone. I started early prototyping by retrofitting some crutches and attaching a bike seat. After a few minutes of practice and many layers of duct tape, I had a proof of concept for the CrotchCrutch. This video is when I was completely non-weight bearing on my left leg. My hands were free. Version 2 of the CrotchCrutch features quite a few improvements, the first being a form-fitting, water-activated fiberglass splint which would clamp the patient's upper leg with Velcro straps, a truly personalized crutch. Another improvement is the foot of the crutch. It will act as a cantilevered plate spring, elastically storing some of the energy when walking. This will decrease the impact loads on the pelvic bone and will make walking smoother.
The process from here on out will consist of many iterations to design a very stable, easy to use crutch. Also, future iterations to design a well-cushioned, low-profile seat will take place. The money will help tremendously with further protection of the product, FDA certifications, product development, and future prototyping. I am hopeful that one day, all people with knee and lower leg injuries will have a hands-free crutch option.